Hello, guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 28th, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left. I've already solved the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. Time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know, but this will be number 5248. 5248. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I do not know. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. And yeah, it's a 4 stars indicated puzzle. So I need for 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Okay, first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, always a 1. Here single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan. Dual boxes. No dual boxes. Do we have triple boxes? No. Oh, overlook this dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for quadra box. Yeah. In an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. The 2, the 3, and the 4, well, cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Alright. Then the following strategy is to look for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one rotated, so this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Oh, wait. Let me mark this. Okay. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3. Alright. Okay. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have only 3. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be... Oh, wait. We already have a 1 there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here. Oh, could be there. Well, we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes... Oh, wait. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. This box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and a 1. These two, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, let me mark those 4 and 5. Yeah. And now. Wait. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. Well. 1. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 there. But also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 over here. If I place 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this shape should be here. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Come on. 2, 3, 5. Come on. Where's the opening? Well, I think this box cannot be a 2. If this box is a 2, then these 3 boxes can be a 2. And those 2 boxes can be a 2. And I need a 2 in this area. So definitely a 1. And that box should be a 1, 2 is connected with that box should be also 1. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be there. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 4 could be everywhere. Yeah. These 3 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we have a double 1 there. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. 4 and the 5 is connected with that box, should be also 4 and the 5. So I need a 1 in this area. So the 1 could be here, could be there. But I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be there. So now we have a pair in this area, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. So the 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we also a 5. One box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 3 and a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. If I fill here a 3, then I cannot place any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area, in the L shape, for number 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 5. Well. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of these two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3, not the 4. Okay. Then that means that this box can be a 2 or a 3 in this quadro box. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 1 digit left in this quadro box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 3. So the other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 4 and the 5. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2 and a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. So here we have a pair, 4 and the 5. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, okay. Well. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So now we have 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1, 3, 2 and the 5. Yeah, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. This box will be a 4, and it's connected with that box will be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We go down, 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 down. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, we have a 4 now, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.